Hello, and thanks for tuning in. This time, I'm going to 3D print some Nephilim giant engineering. There are dolmen tombs all over the world, many of them directly connected to the giants. There are about 6,000 dolmens at Gilgal Raphaim in Golan Heights. This is the region of King Og of Bashan. I can't find much in the way of Nephilim species names at the time of Joshua's early campaigns. They seem to be referred to as a Canaanite or Amorite giant. Goliath comes a bit later and had 4 brothers. Their father's name was Rapha, from which Raphaim derives from. Rapha is about 19 miles from Gaza. Check out this strange 6-fingered image in Gaza. What's up with the flood reference? So maybe our Nephilim had a dolmen plan. So I'll make him a 13 or 14-foot Amorite. I was limited on how big I could print, but he did end up taller than his dolmen. And so he's a great warrior who was killed in battle. And here's a trap door to access the burial chamber below. And now he's hanging out at the bottom of the dolmen just as he fell, with his favorite weapons. There is an extraordinary Bible event that may intertwine with the worship of Nephilim bones in the Jezreel Valley of Issachar. Seems if a dolmen itself existed in this location, it was most likely torn down. I imagine they would have repurposed it into some kind of stone blocks or something. But here the underground chambers remain as caves. This is the location of the infamous Jezebel. Apparently, the Jezreel Valley is not named after her. Jezebel was described as a demonic siren. Sirens or mermaids are considered to be Nephilim hybrids. Things must have gotten real bad. Here God is addressing the divine council about Ahab and sends a lying spirit. Ahab and Jezebel get dead in a very strange supernatural way. But that's not all of the weirdness in Jezreel. Although it's unclear if Jezebel was involved with Nephilim bones, she was most likely into the Canaanite Baal worship of. In Greek and Hebrew, it translates to owl. These pedo creeps seem to have a serious thing for owls. Now we come to 1 Samuel 28 with King Saul and the Witch of Endor. According to 1 Samuel 6:2, Saul is fairly large himself. Well, that's all I got. I hope you enjoyed my 3D printing journey. Next time, I will be printing some more fallen angel technology.